Today we're tackling a super important topic: how to log out of Facebook on other devices. Whether you've logged in on a friend's phone or shared your account on a public computer, it's crucial to secure your account. So let's dive in and get that sorted. First things first, open your Facebook application, tap on your profile to your menu, and which will open settings and privacy. Tap on privacy checkup, or you can simply search for activity log like this and choose your preferred account. Here you can find all the devices that are logged in from your account. Now to remove any account, click on it and click on remove save login from this, and that's it for how to removing account from other devices. Whether you're on Android or iPhone, logging out of other devices is a breeze and a great way to keep your account secure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.